Pro Trader has an incredibly powerful short scanner for Darvas Boxes. It's great at finding stocks that in downtrends, then stop going down and base sideways and tie them up into really tight range and a VCP setup that then breaks out and potentially starts its next down leg. You can see in CPRT on the NASDAQ, it's had a bunch of Darvas boxes in a row. It's currently sitting in its latest box. To do the scan, just go up to scans, go into Darvas boxes, select short, put in your parameters. So this is searching for a 100-day low. Then I'm looking for the once that low is formed, for it not to go below that low for at least 5 days or 5 weeks if you scan on weekly charts. You can do whatever filters you want, but for this purpose, I haven't done any. And then you scan whatever market you want, NASDAQ, NISI, or so forth. You do the scan, and there's 2 results that I want to show you that look pretty awesome. Obviously, the first is CPRT, that's tightening here. This is a stock that used to be done at the market that is coming under a lot of pressure and is in a pretty serious downtrend. It's got obviously massive support when you scroll back down here in the 25s from these old lows, but it's currently still at 32. It's been basing in a tight Darvas box here for the last 2 weeks. The other one is another stock that's also been under a lot of pressure, EXPI. You can see EXPI is in a very similar looking Darvas box. It's been in an incredibly serious downtrend, and this is its first real breather where it just is basing sideways for about 4 weeks now. It's pretty tight, so the risk reward is pretty good. The tight setups generally lead to some pretty explosive moves and some pretty good risk reward. You can see in EXPI, but there's really no support below it. I'm going back 5 years here and there's nothing. It's pretty much in a downfall once that low breaks. It doesn't mean that it won't break down and fake you out and storm back up. But that's why you have stop losses, risk reward rules, discipline. But in terms of having edge, Pro Trader is a great way to find that edge and trade that edge with discipline. Cheers.